Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're excited to talk about the best purse knife available in the market, the Palmetto Woodshop Custom Pocket Knife. The Palmetto Woodshop Custom Pocket Knife is a top-quality, personalized pocket knife that makes for a perfect gift for any occasion. With professional laser engraving, this pocket knife stands out as a unique and meaningful gift. The knife features a 3.25-inch stainless steel blade and a 4.5-inch black wood handle, making it versatile for everyday carry, camping, hunting, and more. Stainless steel blade. The razor-sharp stainless steel blade is partially serrated, making it perfect for handling any task. Design. The black pocket knife with wood accent delivers a timeless style that is sure to impress. Tools. This versatile rescue knife also includes a rope cutter, can opener, and glass breaker for added functionality. The Palmetto Woodshop Custom Pocket Knife can be personalized with engraving, making it a special and thoughtful gift for your loved ones. The clip on the knife allows for convenient everyday carry, whether on your belt or in your pocket. In conclusion, the Palmetto Woodshop Custom Pocket Knife is a must-have accessory for anyone looking for a high-quality, personalized pocket knife. Whether you're using it for hunting, everyday carry, or camping, this knife offers both style and functionality. Don't miss out on this fantastic product from Palmetto Woodshop. Get your hands on the best purse knife in the market today. That's all for today's review on the Palmetto Woodshop Custom Pocket Knife. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching.